Litecoin, a digital currency introduced in 2011, is often recognized as the silver to Bitcoin's gold. This cryptocurrency, which operates on a decentralized platform, aims to deliver faster and more cost-effective transactions than its more famous counterpart. Built upon the foundational protocol of Bitcoin, Litecoin distinguishes itself with a quicker block generation time, allowing for expedited transaction confirmations, and a larger maximum supply of coins. Utilizing a proof-of-work mining algorithm, it upholds a high level of security and transparency by recording transactions on a public blockchain. While gaining popularity due to its efficiency and supportive community, Litecoin, like all cryptocurrencies, comes with its own set of risks including price volatility and limited widespread adoption. It represents a dynamic and potentially influential player in the cryptocurrency landscape, offering an alternative approach to digital transactions and investment. Litecoin is a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency and open-source software project launched in 2011. It's often referred to as the silver to Bitcoin's gold because it's designed to be a faster and more efficient version of Bitcoin. Here's a quick overview of Litecoin. What it is. A decentralized digital currency that enables instant, near-zero cost payments to anyone in the world. Litecoin is based on the Bitcoin protocol but with some key differences, such as a faster block generation time, 2.5 minutes compared to Bitcoin's 10 minutes, and a larger total supply of coins, 84 million compared to Bitcoin's 21 million. How it works. Litecoin uses a proof-of-work mining algorithm, similar to Bitcoin. This means that miners compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles in order to validate transactions and earn Litecoin rewards. Litecoin transactions are recorded on a public ledger called a blockchain, which ensures transparency and security. Why it's popular. Litecoin is faster and cheaper to use than Bitcoin, making it a more attractive option for everyday transactions. Litecoin has a strong community of developers and users, which helps to support its growth and development. Litecoin is seen as a more stable and secure investment than some other altcoins. Things to keep in mind. Like all cryptocurrencies, Litecoin is a volatile investment. Its price can fluctuate significantly from day to day. Litecoin is not yet widely accepted as a payment method, although its adoption is growing. There are risks associated with using any cryptocurrency, such as hacking and theft. Overall, Litecoin is a promising cryptocurrency with a lot of potential. However, it's important to do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. Litecoin's usefulness lies in its potential to address some of the limitations of Bitcoin and offer advantages for specific use cases. Here are some key reasons why it's considered useful. Faster and cheaper transactions. Compared to Bitcoin's 10-minute block generation time, Litecoin's 2.5 minutes significantly speeds up transaction processing, making it suitable for everyday purchases and microtransactions where quick confirmation is crucial. Transaction fees on the Litecoin network are generally lower than those on Bitcoin, making it more cost-effective for frequent small transactions. Improved scalability. Litecoin's larger total supply, 84 million vs. Bitcoin's 21 million, and faster block generation allow for greater transaction volume, potentially accommodating wider adoption and future growth. Enhanced security and decentralization. Litecoin's proof-of-work mining algorithm, similar to Bitcoin's, ensures high levels of security and resistance to manipulation. The distributed nature of the network makes it resilient against centralized control and censorship. Potential as a bridge currency. Litecoin's faster and cheaper transactions compared to Bitcoin could position it as a bridge currency for instant settlements between Bitcoin and other slower or more expensive cryptocurrencies. Growing adoption and community. Litecoin's increasing acceptance by merchants and vendors is expanding its real-world utility. The active and supportive community around Litecoin contributes to its development and potential future success. However, it's important to remember, Litecoin's usefulness is still evolving and its real-world adoption is not yet widespread. Similar to all cryptocurrencies, Litecoin faces regulatory uncertainties and market volatility. Its long-term success will depend on its ability to overcome these challenges and address emerging competition. Overall, Litecoin offers potential advantages in terms of speed, cost, and scalability, making it a viable alternative for specific use cases compared to Bitcoin. However, its usefulness is still under development, and it's important to be aware of the associated risks before investing or relying on it. Similarities with Bitcoin. Blockchain technology. Both Litecoin and Bitcoin utilize a blockchain, a distributed ledger that records all transactions publicly and transparently. This ensures security and immutability, meaning transactions cannot be altered or deleted once recorded. Proof of work mining. Both use a proof of work (POW) consensus mechanism. Miners compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles to validate transactions and earn rewards in the form of new coins. This secures the network against manipulation and spamming. Decentralization. Both operate without a central authority, making them resistant to censorship and control. Key differences. Algorithm. Litecoin uses SCRYPT, a memory hard algorithm resistant to specialized mining hardware, ASICs. This aims to create a more equitable mining environment compared to Bitcoin's SHA-256 algorithm, which favors ASICs. Block generation time. Litecoin generates new blocks every 2.5 minutes, compared to Bitcoin's 10 minutes. This faster speed allows for quicker transaction confirmations and potentially higher transaction volume. Total supply. Litecoin has a total supply of 84 million coins, 4 times that of Bitcoin, 21 million. This could potentially make it more inflationary, but also provides a larger pool for distribution and adoption. Here's a simplified visualization of how a Litecoin transaction works. Initiate transaction. A user sends Litecoin from their wallet to another address on the network. Broadcast transaction. The transaction is broadcast to the network of miners. Mining competition. Miners compete to solve the mathematical puzzle and validate the transaction. Block creation. The first miner to solve the puzzle adds the transaction to a new block on the blockchain. Transaction confirmation. The block is distributed to the network and other miners verify its validity. Once confirmed, the transaction is finalized. Additional features. Segregated witness. SegWit. This technology separates transaction data from signatures, reducing transaction size and increasing block capacity. Lightning Network. This second-layer payment protocol enables faster and cheaper microtransactions off the main chain. Remember, Litecoin is still under development, and its technology and features continue to evolve. Investing in cryptocurrencies involves risks, including price volatility and regulatory uncertainties. While Litecoin is a decentralized project with a large community, there are some key individuals who played significant roles in its creation and development. Charlie Lee, founder and creator, launched Litecoin in 2011 based on the Bitcoin protocol. Former Google engineer, his technical expertise and experience in the software industry were crucial in Litecoin's initial development. Public figure, Lee remains a vocal advocate for Litecoin and the broader cryptocurrency space. He stepped down from the Litecoin Foundation in 2018 but continues to contribute to the project's development through public discussions and occasional technical advice. Litecoin core developers. Team of developers, responsible for maintaining and improving the Litecoin core software, the open-source code base that powers the Litecoin network. Community-driven, the team is composed of volunteer developers from around the world who collaborate openly and transparently. Litecoin Foundation. Nonprofit organization, established in 2013 to support the development and adoption of Litecoin. Board of Directors, oversees the Foundation's activities and provides guidance to the development team. Community engagement, the Foundation organizes events and initiatives to promote awareness and adoption of Litecoin. Early adopters and contributors. Miners, individuals who provide computational power to secure the Litecoin network and earn rewards. Businesses, merchants and service providers who accept Litecoin as a payment method. Investors and enthusiasts, individuals who contribute financially or through community involvement to support the growth and development of Litecoin. It's important to note that Litecoin's decentralized nature means that no one individual or entity has complete control over the project. The future of Litecoin will depend on the continued contributions of the development team, the community, and the broader ecosystem of users and stakeholders. Litecoin, since its inception in 2011, has remained a prominent cryptocurrency, known for its speed, affordability, and continual evolution. The year 2023 has seen several significant developments and trends for Litecoin, LTC, contributing to its journey and influence in the cryptocurrency market. Increased network activity and halving event. In 2023, Litecoin experienced increased network activity, with the number of active addresses on its network surpassing 1.4 million, marking a new all-time high. Despite this surge in activity, the price of Litecoin has seen fluctuations. It has witnessed a 20% rally but remains down nearly 80% from its all-time high. In August 2023, Litecoin underwent its third halving event, which reduced the block rewards from 12.5 to 6.25 LTC. However, this halving event did not lead to a significant price rally as some might have expected. Release of Litecoin Core 0.18.1. A key development for Litecoin in 2023 was the release of Litecoin Core 0.18.1. This update introduced several enhancements aimed at improving the overall stability and performance of the network. Importantly, it also enhanced security features, thereby fortifying the network against potential threats. Increasing whale transactions and exchange flow. 2023 saw a notable increase in whale transactions and a surge in exchange flow for Litecoin. This trend, as revealed by on-chain data, indicates growing interest from large investors and a bullish sentiment towards LTC. The increased exchange flow also points to heightened activity and liquidity, which is crucial for the health of any cryptocurrency. Surge in Litecoin transactions via BitPay. There has been a 50% surge in Litecoin transactions through BitPay, positioning Litecoin as a preferred choice for daily transactions, second only to Bitcoin. This adoption highlights Litecoin's practical value beyond just an investment asset, underpinned by its speed and low transaction fees. Delisting of perpetual contracts on Binance and market resilience. In a challenging development, Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, delisted LTC perpetual contracts for BUSD. Despite this setback, the Litecoin community and the Litecoin Foundation have shown resilience, seeking to mitigate the impact by exploring partnerships and listings on other exchanges. Despite market volatility and pressures, Litecoin has exhibited remarkable resilience, demonstrating stability and reflecting confidence among the Litecoin community and investors. Overall, these developments suggest that Litecoin continues to adapt and evolve, reinforcing its position as a mainstay in the cryptocurrency landscape. Despite fluctuations in its price and challenges like the delisting on Binance, Litecoin's fundamentals, such as its transaction speed and affordability, along with its robust community support, contribute to its enduring presence in the cryptocurrency market. Faster and cheaper transactions. While Litecoin's block generation time is indeed faster than Bitcoin's, this advantage is somewhat mitigated by the increasing use of second-layer solutions like Bitcoin's Lightning Network, which enables even faster and cheaper transactions than Litecoin. Lower transaction fees are not unique to Litecoin. Several other cryptocurrencies also offer low fees, and these fees can fluctuate based on network congestion. Improved scalability. Although Litecoin's faster block time allows for more frequent block creation, this doesn't necessarily translate to significantly better scalability in practice. Larger block sizes or faster block times can lead to issues like blockchain bloat and decreased security. Litecoin's larger total supply doesn't inherently improve scalability. Scalability is more directly impacted by factors like transaction throughput and block size. Enhanced security and decentralization. Litecoin's mining algorithm, while different from Bitcoin's, doesn't inherently provide superior security. The security of a proof-of-work system largely depends on the amount of computational power dedicated to the network, and Bitcoin's network is far larger and more secure in this regard. Decentralization in mining is an ongoing challenge for Litecoin, as with many cryptocurrencies, and the presence of large mining pools can centralize control. Potential as a bridge currency. Litecoin's position as a bridge currency is speculative and not yet established. Other cryptocurrencies and cross-chain solutions are also vying for this role, making it a competitive space. Growing adoption and community. While Litecoin's adoption is growing, it is still far behind Bitcoin and other leading cryptocurrencies in terms of widespread use and acceptance. Community size and engagement are important, but they don't always correlate directly with the success or failure of a cryptocurrency. Litecoin's usefulness. Litecoin's real-world adoption is modest compared to its potential, and its role as a day-to-day transactional currency is not yet realized. Regulatory uncertainties and market volatility are significant challenges that affect Litecoin just as they do other cryptocurrencies. Similarities and differences with Bitcoin. The SCRYPT mining algorithm does not necessarily make Litecoin more equitable. ASICs for SCRYPT mining do exist, and mining centralization is a concern. The increased total supply of Litecoin could potentially lead to higher inflationary pressures compared to Bitcoin, which has a capped supply. Litecoin transaction process. The transaction process, while technically accurate, doesn't highlight the potential for delayed confirmations during times of high network congestion. Features like SegWit and the Lightning Network, although beneficial, are not unique to Litecoin and are also implemented in Bitcoin. Key individuals and community contribution. While community and key figures play a role, the decentralized nature of Litecoin means that its future is uncertain and subject to a variety of external factors beyond the control of any individual or group. The impact of early adopters and developers, though crucial, must be balanced against the broader market and technological developments in the crypto space. Recent developments and trends. Increased network activity and the halving event are significant, but their long-term impact on Litecoin's value and adoption is not guaranteed. The release of Litecoin Core 0.18.1, while an important update, is part of the normal progression of cryptocurrency development and similar to updates released by other cryptocurrencies. The increase in whale transactions and the surge in Litecoin transactions via BitPay are positive indicators, but they should be viewed in the context of overall market trends and the performance of competing cryptocurrencies. The delisting of perpetual contracts on Binance is a setback that underscores the volatility and regulatory uncertainty in the crypto market, which affects investor confidence. In summary, while Litecoin has certain advantages and recent positive developments, its position in the cryptocurrency market is challenged by evolving technologies, competitive cryptocurrencies, and broader market dynamics. The future success of Litecoin depends on various factors, including technological advancements, market adoption, and regulatory developments. In conclusion, Litecoin, created in 2011 as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, stands out in the cryptocurrency world for its faster and more cost-effective transactions, built upon an enhanced version of Bitcoin's protocol. Distinguished by its quicker block generation time and larger coin supply, Litecoin operates with a proof-of-work algorithm, maintaining high security and transparency through its public blockchain. Its growing popularity is fueled by its efficiency, strong community support, and potential as an alternative for digital transactions and investments. However, it's essential to acknowledge the inherent risks like price volatility and limited adoption that accompany Litecoin and the broader cryptocurrency market. This dynamic player in the crypto landscape continues to evolve, adapting to challenges and competing technologies, while striving to solidify its position as a significant and influential cryptocurrency.